All right, today let's do the hands-on for duplicates, null, and missing values, how to handle. So first things first, we need to create one lake house because we need one SQL endpoint to demonstrate how this can be done. Let's give a name to our lake house like duplicate missing null lake house null LH for lake house maybe. So let's click on create. So now we need to ingest our files and then load into a table. So I have the hands-on file on my computer as well. So if you look here, the data, here we have the missing, and here row number 101 is duplicate. That is, it's occurring twice in the table, which is a duplicate entry definitely. So how do we handle? So let's tackle in this. So let's first upload this in the lakehouse as files. So I'll click on the three dots here in files, upload files. Then let's browse from my local computer the file. Let's browse this customers. I'll click on upload and there we go. Green tick mark looks good. I'll close this and refresh the browser so that the file starts to appear now. And let's wait, and there we go, the file is there. Now since we are able to view the file, we can click on the three dots, load to table, new table. I'll keep as it is. The table name named customers will be created. Schema will be under the DBO schema. Since it's a CSV, so comma is already there, so I don't need to do anything. And my first column contains the header. It is tick mark as per the data in the Excel. I'll click on load. All right, it says successfully created customers table, and there we go. We can now view the table as well. If we click here, the data here, it shows null, and Amit Sharma, this one is duplicate entry. We can view it now. In order to handle the duplicate and nulls, I need to switch to SQL Analytics endpoint. Let's switch it by clicking here. And now let's clean our data. I'll start a new query. First will be begin by removing the duplicates. So in order to remove duplicates, we need the distinct query. We use the distinct so that only unique records are shown. I'll copy this and paste this. Please make sure if Fabric is case sensitive, so we got to write the exact table name, right? Please do not write customers as C capital. It won't, the query will fail. If you look here, customers is small, DBO schema name. I'll run it. And here, since we have used distinct, it will show the unique rows or the unique records. If you look, Amit Sharma is now shown as just one entry. So we have handled duplicates, right? So there are several ways to remove it as well, right? We can use the delete from the table name, where then we give specific conditions. But since we are handling duplicates, so this is how we handle the duplicates using distinct clause. We are not deleting this here. Now we need to let's say we are able to see the null here because it is a small table in the demo, but in real life there might be millions of record. How do we then distinguish or find the null? I'll click on the new query. I'll paste this. I'll copy this. I'll explain what it's doing. I'll hit the run. So it's basically, if you look at the query, where the customer name is null, right? So if you look at the previous, here we find the customer name as null. So that's what we are filtering. Where is like the filter clause? It will scan all the data in the table where customer is null. So we found one record with it. Now let's say we want to replace this null with a default value like unknown. We can use coalesce. So let me open this new query. I'll paste the query and I'll run it. So if we look here, the coalesce where null is there, it will replace by unknown. If you look here, it's now the null is now removed with unknown. Now if I run our first query, that is our distinct one, so now technically null will still be present. Why? If you ask me, because here we are not modifying anything. If you look, this is just a basic select statement, right? It won't modify any kind of data, but it will put the null as unknown, right? So that's what we have done. The table is intact, how we have uploaded, but since this tutorial, please note it's about handling, right? So we have handled the data. So that's what we do. So that's what it goes. We have handled the null, then duplicate entries, that is the Amit Sharma. If you look, right, we have um, since this was a duplicate entry, right, we have handled the using the distinct clause, the duplicate entries. Then null we have identified. Then we have replaced the null uh, with unknown. So that's how we handle the data. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.